Good afternoon from Korea. How are you today? 2024 almost ends, and yesterday I reflect on myself, and now I'd like to share 3 things that I've done in 2024. First, I overcome my habit of procrastination. I used to put tasks off or stay up all night before the deadline. It was incredibly hard to break this habit, but after I given a sense of responsibility for my work, and I overcome the habit of the procrastination. Second, I figure out the importance of the teamwork. I used to handle everything on my own because I didn't rely on anyone's help or responsibility. But after teaming up with great team members, I also figure out communication is the most important thing. And if you are really good at communicating with other people, then you are able to lead to really great work efficiency. Now I'm building it. And last one, based on the first and second experience, I finally teamed up with great team members, including photographers and the event organizers. And now I've listed my tour product on the trip advisors. This is my trip advisors. In 2025, I'm gonna do my best as a tour guide, as a tour host. If anyone traveling in South Korea, like Seoul or any other city, just reach out to me. I'm going to fully responsible for your tour. 감사합니다.